If you want to permanently delete your Deezer account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your data is removed from the platform. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deezer website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the delete account option. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to account management or privacy. Here, you should find the option to delete your account. Step 4. Confirm your decision. Click on the delete account option and you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any warnings or information provided, as this action is irreversible. Step 5. Complete the deletion process. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the deletion process. This may include entering your password again or confirming via email. Once you have completed these steps, your Deezer account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, and you will lose all your saved music and playlists.